Hello, I'm Kelly, the Gentleman Maker. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this bandsaw cut plywood sign of my logo. Okay, while the first coat dries, we're not going to sit here and watch that unless you really want to, in which case you can head over to my second channel, and that's all about watching paint dry. We're going to get on with something much more interesting. A couple of squirts of this. Oh, it's blocked. Of course it's blocked. Here we go, I'll unblock it. That's better, we've unblocked it. Now, a couple of squirts of this on the paper. Oh, that's going everywhere. That's enough to secure it. Here's the blade, I'm trying it out. It's 59.5 inches long by a 1/4 inch, which is 6-ish millimeters and 14 teeth per inch. Let's measure in lots of different ways. Let's pop it on the saw and have a go at cutting letters. I'll mark off a few pieces of this MDF. I've just gone on a rough 20mm shorter than that, 105, blah blah blah, 85 will do. So I'll put one along there, a couple of short bits like that. That'll be fine. Let's mark those off while we're at it. Make those 30, 60, 90mm. There you go. Millimeters. Shh, don't tell anyone. Moves tripod. I'll tell you one thing. I'm going to work on a better tripod. I very quickly gave up measuring and just eyeballed them all. So let's get through all of these letters. Oh, I'm back on again. The card filler I used in these gaps, that's dry enough, I think. Just knock that back. These letters are getting painted. It'll be fine. R. Came a bit piratey there, didn't we? Right, we know where we're going. A few more of those. And there we have it, the last letter. Next stage, I'm going to paint all the backs white, ready for the final colour. Let's go somewhere else for that. Here I'm painting the backs of all the letters and the standoffs with some white acrylic paint. And what I'm not showing on camera is painting the orange and the black, but that's just painting, and we already know what we feel about that. Beer, of course, is not an essential ingredient for making a sign, but it does help, and goes some way to explaining why I forgot to record the painting of the orange and most of the black. We found a centre line on the wall, and I got my assistant to hold that piece of wood there to give me something to line the base lines of the flat bottom letters up. See that? That's got a curve. That's just going up there a bit of a measure. Next one is the N. Letters like T's, E's, O's, etc. that have a curved bottom. That curve hangs below the baseline of the other characters. So I'm just using up there to give myself a measure to position the next letter, in this case the M. It's all stuck up with a bit of hot glue. Marvellous stuff, hot glue.
Kelly.
That was fun. Thanks for watching.